Hi, let us understand how to combine the labels as a part of constraint and placement preference. Already we have added the label zone for all the workers as west, and for the master we added the zone as east. And we have another label node type as worker for all the worker machines and node type as master for the master machine. And I'm going to add another label type as prod for the master, that is node 1 and node 2 and node 3. And for node 4 and 5 I'm going to add the type as DEVEL. So as a part of node 1 I'm going to add the type as prod, and for node 2 also I'll add the type as prod, and for node 3 as well I'll add it as prod, and for node 4 I'm going to make it as DEVEL. I'll make node 5 also as DEVEL. Now we do have three different type of labels. I'm going to use the combination of the two labels, that is zone and type, and add it as a part of constraint. So I'm going to create a service with the name MyNginx and the mode as global. That means each and every node will get one container if the condition gets met. I'm adding two constraints. One constraint is label zone equal to west and the type not equal to DEVEL. First let us check how many nodes going to get selected for the condition zone equal to west. For zone equal to west I do have 4 nodes, and the next condition type not equal to DEVEL, so only these two workers, that is node 2 and 3 will get selected. And as this is a global service, two tasks, that is one task for node 2 and one task for node 3 should get deployed. Let's go ahead and create the service. So it is creating two tasks and it is going to assign that. The service is created. Let me get the details for the service MyNginx. It got deployed in the node 2 and node 3 as we discussed. The same way, let's go ahead and create another service with the combination of placement preference and constraint. So I am going to have the labels type not equal to DEVEL and type not equal to master. So type not equal to master, again that will work out to be these 4 worker machines, and type not equal to DEVEL, that will work out to be these 2 nodes, node 2 and 3. And I do have the placement preference as 4 based on the node type. So node type, it is production and it will get distributed evenly within this particular nodes. Let me go ahead and create the service. So 4 replicas getting created. Let me check the details about this particular service. So it got distributed between node 2 and 3 as the replica is 4, and based on the constraint only node 2 and 3 got selected, and the spread is based on the node type, and I do have only one type. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to mix the placement preference and constraint while creating the service, and how to meet the conditions, and how powerful it is to place the task in the node that we wanted.